How to remove the background from an image on Android without downloading anything, completely free. Let's go, everyone. You're going to open a browser. I'll open Google here. On Google, you're going to click and search for this site here. It's completely free, okay? Type FileConf online. Go ahead and type it in. Once you've typed it, FileConf Remove BG will show up here. You can click on it. This site will appear. It's the first one. Just click on it. Once you've clicked, you'll access it, and now all you have to do is select the image on your Android. So click here to upload the image. Select the image. I'm going to pick this first photo here. Once you've selected it, the image will be uploaded, as you can see here. Now, to remove the background, just click here on Remove Background. Click it. Uploading processing is really quick, guys. It doesn't take long. Done. The image has already been processed here. Now, with your finger on your phone screen, you just swipe and the background is removed, okay? It's completely free. You don't have to pay anything to do this, all right? The background has been removed, as you can see. Now just click here to download. It doesn't take long. It'll download right away. Downloading the file, done. It's already downloaded. I'll click to open it. As you can see, the background was successfully removed. You can go back to the website and here you just start again. Click upload the image. I'll upload a new image here. I'll upload this dish. As you can see, here is the image with the background removed and the image without the background removed. Now I'll upload this one. Click to remove it again. It's completely free. You can do it as many times as you want, okay? Processing, done. Now here, as I said, just tap on your phone screen and swipe to remove the background. Background removed successfully, okay? Then you can select what you want to remove and what you don't want to remove. It's up to you. So here I remove the background. Now I'll click to download it again. Downloading. Downloading the file, I'll click to open it. And as you can see, the background was successfully removed, okay? So that's how you remove the background from an image on Android. If I helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.